Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to disable the in-app camera in Gmail on your Android phone. If you've been looking to enhance your privacy or just prefer not to use the in-app camera feature, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Settings app. You can usually find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap on it to get a list of all your installed applications. Next, look for Gmail in the list. It might take a moment to find it, but just scroll until you see that familiar icon and tap on it. Now you're in the Gmail app settings. Here, you'll see various options related to the app. Look for the Permissions option and tap on it. This is where you can manage what permissions Gmail has access to. In the Permissions section, find the Camera permission. You'll want to make sure the camera is not enabled. If it's currently allowed, tap on it and then select Don't Allow. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the in-app camera for Gmail. This change helps you manage your data and privacy more effectively. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more how-to guides. Have a great day.